Hello guys, my name is Shaheen. Welcome back to my channel. I always get so excited to record these videos, and this is because I am a Boxycharm lover and I am representing with my shirt the Boxycharm colors. I always love to record these videos and I feel like I'm so repetitive in every video when it comes to Boxycharm, but I love recording these videos because I love surprising myself with the products that are included in my Boxycharm. So if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you receive a minimum of 5 products for $25 for the base box. They have other boxes. I haven't got to reviewing them yet. All I could speak for is the base box. The base box comes with 5 or more products valued $125 or more, and you're getting $125 worth of product for $25. Count me in. I was able to come up with this look using the products in this box. So I hope you guys stick around and see what products came in my monthly box subscription with Boxycharm. I don't know about you guys, but I always get so happy when it's Boxycharm. What? Well, I don't know what is wrong with my language today, but I always get so happy when it's time to open up a Boxycharm box. There you go. So I have the products right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and take out the first product. The first product I have here is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This is awesome to get. Tula isn't actually the most affordable brand. It's so nice that they would include a product like this. I do have to be super honest and say that I won't be able to try this out anytime soon. I was having problems recently with my eyes where they were getting very flaky. I don't know, I was having an allergic reaction to something. And so I completely banned for like a couple months any products that are related to the eyes. I still put on makeup here and there, but I'm giving my face some time to relax. But I can't wait to get into this. I seriously can't wait to get into this because there's nothing better than cooling and brightening up your eye area. So this, I'm reading here that this is formulated with parabens, sulfates, mineral oils, gluten, retinol. Retinol, you know, it's what helps you get rid of those fine lines. This is awesome. Clean and effective. It's a probiotic skincare product. Awesome. I didn't get the card where it tells you the information about the products. Boxycharm, I need those cards. The next product we have is also another skincare product. This is from the brand Dr. Brand. It's a skin changing science. This is cool. A hydrobiotic. So this is the product. Okay, so this is a recovery sleeping mask. This deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. Okay, this I am gonna go ahead and try out. I'm not gonna try it out here in this video because it would be pointless. Obviously it's a sleeping mask, so I would have to do it. I'm gonna try this out tonight. So I'm having a little bit of redness in my face, but that's fine. These are normal things that happen to my face either way. So this deeply hydrates, moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation, and locks in moisture to prevent water loss. What? That is cool. The brand recommends that you apply the mask to your clean and dry skin before bedtime and to use nightly. So this is cool. Products like this, what they're meant for and basically created for is to balance out your complexion. Do you know what I mean? This is great. I'm a person with dry skin. I say it in almost every video that includes something with skincare. It's because my face actually does get very dry and it will start peeling. I wish it wasn't like that, but I have what I have, and I'm glad Boxycharm includes products like this where I could try them out and eventually fall in love with them. And I'm glad I could get it within the $25 that I pay a month for this box. It's a good product. Here we have the next product. This is from Touch in Soul, the Fill Up Orange palette. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, I love it. These pops of color are amazing. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palette. This is beautiful. I love it. Look at that orange right there. Wow. So what we're gonna do in this video is that I'm not gonna do anything glamorous. Like I said, I'm having trouble with my eyes. The less amount of makeup I put on, the better. But this is for now. This is for now. So I'm just gonna try out a little bit of color, see what I could create out of this palette. There is a lot of there is some matte, there is some shimmers, and there's this really beautiful glossy orange that I love. It doesn't go with this combination. This is more of this shirt reminds me of Boxycharm. I don't know why. It's the color, the black and white, like the black and white box, I guess. I love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this product.
Perfect.
So I'm gonna stop right there, and I'm gonna tell you that I literally just tapped into this product right here, and that gave off so much pigment, and it's blending out like a dream. I am loving it so far. Oh my God. What? That is beautiful. That is so beautiful. I was gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera since I had already done the other one, but I want to try out this glitter color right here with on the other eye with a glitter primer. So I am using my favorite. This is from the brand NYX. Awesome, amazing product. Really holds the glitter. So I'm applying this with my finger. Let it dry for a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, so now that it's tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and with my finger apply the glitter. This, I feel like, should keep it in place longer. Yeah, beautiful. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna take this this color right here, and I'm just gonna use it to help me blend out the orange that I applied on the top. The colors, I have to say, they are beautiful. They are very pigmented. You don't need much product. You do have to dust off your brush for sure. I did have a little bit of fallout with the glitter, but that's because I thought that it was one of those I thought that it was one of those shadows where you just apply it just like that, but no, you do need a glitter glue. So I used my NYX product, and this is what I was able to create, and I love it. I love it, and I did this like in 2 minutes. I am so excited about this product. This is from the brand Laura Geller. This is a multitasking eye, lip, cheek palette. And so this is supposed to be a cream to powder trio. This is amazing, and these are all shades of nude. The color's name, I love it. It's called Tuscan Coral, Coconut Grove, and Gold Dust. And I love products like this. You could throw this into your purse and you'll have your blush, you'll have your contour, you'll have your highlighter, all in one palette. So this is like a cream product, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of the blush onto my face just to see how it goes. And normally I like to use my hands, okay? I don't mind getting dirty, and especially when it has to do with makeup, I don't mind at all getting dirty. We're gonna go ahead and go into this product just like this. I have it here on my finger, and I just apply it here to the cheekbones. Not the cheekbones. I apply it here to the apples of your cheek. Wow, I love it. It's so smooth. Just picked up a little bit more because I already have red face. I already have a red face, but there's nothing like looking blushy and girly and beautiful. That gave me a rosy look. I'll take the other product called Gold Dust and apply it as a as a mild, very mild highlighter. Just for that pop of glow on the high points of my face. So this gives you more like a wet look. Look at that. It gave me a glowy, dewy look. And mind you, I have no foundation. I have no makeup other than the products that I'm applying on right now. And I feel like I could go out like this. Love it so far. Okay, and moving on to the last product that we have in the box. We have this lip liner trio from Beauty Vault. This is so great. What I love about Boxycharm is that it'll send you products just like this. Like these little packages. Guess what? You normally get 5 products. But you get 3 in just this box. So, I don't care. Those are extra products you're getting. Meaning that you're getting more than the 5 products that you're promised. And this is great. And oh my god. I love the colors. Look at that. Look at that. These are the colors that I wear on a normal. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one.
Perfect. Perfect.
First color was in the brand Natty Nat. What a cute name, Natty Nat. So I did this. I surrounded my lips. I almost covered them all up, but left the inside with no product. So now I'm gonna take another shade called Babe. Oh my god, I love it. These products are so creamy. They are so good. I was able to do a lip combination with just these lip liners. And you know, lip liners you wear under your lipstick, under your lip products. But wow, I love it. I love it so much. I'm gonna go ahead and take my everyday lipstick just to see how these products react with each other, you know. I'm gonna take this NYX I'm gonna take this NYX Butter Gloss and just apply it over the lips. Now look at how beautiful my lips look. So guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for sticking around. I love recording these Boxycharm videos. They're so much fun to do. I promise, it's like Christmas every time I have to open up one of these boxes because I never know what's inside. I have my boxes more towards like the middle to ending of the month. I guess it's just the way my subscription is set up. So I'm always so eager to go into other YouTubers and review their Boxycharm boxes, but I'm like, no, I have to wait. I really have to wait to see what comes in mine. And I always get so surprised because the products are wonderful. I haven't had any problem with any boxes yet. They're all great. I love them. I love them so much. And I swear, take a shot every time I say that I love a product or I love it, but it's just a genuine reaction to when I really am enjoying a product. Other than that, I love recording these videos for you. Thank you so much for sticking around. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hope to count with your support along this journey. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave comments down below. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm boxes. I'm always so happy to know what you guys got because I know there is variety of boxes. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.